Hi, my name is Steve. We're gonna talk about cleaning and disinfecting. We love visitors in our schools, but sometimes germs like to visit our schools too. They're not the kind of visitors we like, so you'll notice a lot of new cleaning processes at school this year. When you get to school each morning, you'll need to wipe down your desk with a disinfecting wipe. You'll also be wiping down school supplies you share with your classmates, like computers, music equipment, and art supplies. When you're at lunch, germs aren't welcome either, so lunch tables will be cleaned between each lunch group. School bathrooms and buses will be scrubbed of germs too. Germs like to hide in plain sight, so you'll notice other people cleaning a lot too, like wiping down door handles, drinking fountains, handrails, and chairs. The air will even be cleaner too, with powerful equipment blowing extra germs away. We want you to be safe and healthy, so our schools will be as germ-free as possible. Have a good day.